So here's the dimensions Tom had sent me via email. Good on you, Tom. Thanks for giving me millimetres. So 161 millimetres by 51 millimetres. So what I did with that, I brought it into my CAD software and actually drew that profile first, just to get a rough idea of where this picture has to go. Now the artwork Tom didn't have, so he sent me a photo of the artwork and it looked like this. So what I did was just crop that piece of photo out there and bring it into my CAD software just here. And that's called a canvas, bring in a canvas and just orientate around to give me a rough idea of what it is that I needed to do. If I turn that canvas off now, you can actually see the only reason I did that was to trace this vector around this spindle photo here. Now, I could probably do that in Adobe Illustrator, but I've got no idea how to use Adobe Illustrator, so you use what you can use. So, moving on from there, if I close these now and open up Tom's design, I brought that vector into Adobe Illustrator. And now that we've got Adobe Illustrator open, you can see that I brought the vector in and put that where I wanted it to go. I also did an overlay of Tom's photo and gave me a rough idea of where all the numbers had to be and what the numbers were. Hopefully I got them correct, and well, I sent this file off to Tom to check. So anyway, and I thought as an added extra, I'll put that little Hilltop Machine Works in there. Righto, so what we'll do now, we'll head on over to the laser cutter, and I've got some other video and we'll carry on from there. Righto, so I've brought Tom Knop's badge into Adobe Illustrator, and I've put some biolaminate plastic in the CO2 laser cutter engraver, which is a big Epilog unit. Alright, we'll shut the door here. Alright, which will enable the vision system, and now we can go in and make sure that I've got it correctly set. If I zoom in here, you can see that I've got it displayed right on the board. I've adjusted the settings. I'm going to tune it up a little bit, give it a little bit more power on the engrave. And here it is here, ready to go. Turn the extraction on, press play, and the laser has been focused, so hopefully we'll start burning. So what's happening here, every black line that you saw in my design will be engraved. You can see it in real time here. And if we check it out again, so everything in black will have that layer removed, leaving behind you know, the white plastic, hopefully, fingers crossed. Okay, so I'm really happy with that. It's engraved splendid. I think it looks fantastic. Right, so let's cut it out now. Righto, I found this little bit of anodized aluminium, and I'm quite surprised how well it actually engraved. So I think Tom will be very happy with the plastic and aluminium ones.